Okay, let's start this course with installing Python in your system. This video is specifically for Windows users. If you're using Mac, you can watch the next video. I have a separate video for installing Python on Mac OS. Okay, so this one is specifically for Windows users. So first thing, go to python.org. So this is the official website of Python Foundation. And in here, you can go to this downloads and download the Python installer. Okay, so at the time of recording this video, Python 3.13.0 is the latest version, but in your case you may see some other version, maybe upgraded version. Always go with the latest version. Okay, so just click on this and the exe file will be downloaded. All right, so open it, and it is just like how you install normal software applications in your Windows. Okay, so once the Python installer is downloaded, simply double click and start installing. Okay, so one very important thing you have to remember while installing Python in your Windows system is to check this box. Okay, so check this box, add python.exe to path. So this will actually add the Python path to the Windows environment variables. Okay, so that's actually the admin thing. So just make sure you check this box. Okay, so then you click on this install now. Okay, so Python installation is successful. Now you can close this window. Okay, so I'll just close it. So now to verify whether the Python is successfully installed in your systems, you can simply go to your command prompt. Okay, just go to cmd. Okay, so in the command prompt you can simply say python -version. Okay, python -version, and you will see Python 3.13.0 is installed. Okay, so if you see this version, then that means Python is successfully installed in your Windows computer. Okay, so to run Python code, there are two ways. One using the command line, and another one is using the code editors. So right now we have not yet installed code editors, but if you want to run Python, you can simply go to here and say Python. Okay, so you can see here Python, there is this command line utility that is provided with the Python installation, and here you can simply say one simple print statement if you want to write, right? Hello world. Hit enter, and you can see here Python, hello world is printed. So this is how we execute Python code in the command line, but we don't usually do this. We use VS Code or any other editors. So for now I'll close it. Okay, so in the command prompt also you can run, simply say Python and hit enter. Okay, so automatically the CLI will be activated. So here also you can run print statement or run any code. Okay, hello world, right? So it is printing hello world. So this is how we install Python in your Windows computer.